Welcome to the AI Agents and Knowledge Bases walkthrough. In this video, we'll cover two related tabs in PBX management that work together to power AI voice agents. AI agents define how the PBX routes calls to a conversational AI voice platform. Each agent is a complete configuration profile with voice personality, language model, system prompt, and conversation behavior. Knowledge bases give those agents access to external content, websites, documents, and custom text so they can answer questions beyond what's in the system prompt alone. We'll walk through both tabs, covering the agent list, creating and editing an agent, voice and L configuration, knowledge base creation and source management, linking knowledge bases to agents, and how calls reach AE agents through DID routing. Let's start by logging in to the admin console. Navigate to PBX Management and click the AI Agents tab under Resources. This is the AI Agents list for Wicked Sprockets. Each row shows the agent name, the SES IIPE provider used to connect to the AI platform, any DID override, the phone numbers routing to this agent along with their billing plan status, timeout settings, connection timeout, max call duration, and silence timeout, the agent's active or disabled status, and an edit button. The AI Voice Inbound Billing Plan badge on each DID indicates whether per-minute AI billing is enabled for that number. Agents without a linked DID won't receive inbound calls but can still be used as destinations in IVRs, conditions, and other routing rules. The Add AI Agent button in the top right creates a new agent. Let's click into the Lunette AI host to see the full configuration. This is the edit form for the Lunette AI host. The agent settings card contains the core identity and connection parameters. The name appears in destination dropdowns throughout the PX configuration. DIDs, IVRs, conditions, and call flows can all route to an AI agent. The SIP provider is set to Retell AI, which defines the SIP trunk used to connect to the Retell platform. Connect Timeout controls how long the PBX waits for the AI to answer. 30 seconds provides generous headroom for platform delays. Max call duration is a safety limit that prevents runaway calls and unexpected billing. 600 seconds or 10 minutes works for most interactions. End call on silence disconnects after prolonged silence to prevent abandoned calls from staying connected. The Retell Agent ID and LLM ID link this agent to its corresponding configuration in the Retell platform. These are set at creation and locked afterward. Scrolling down, the agent script card defines what the AI says and how it behaves. The welcome message is the first thing the AI says when a call connects. Here it's, "Thank you for calling the Lunette. This is Vivian. How can I help you this evening?" The welcome delay adds a brief pause before the greeting plays, which avoids the message being cut off by residual ringback tone. First speaker controls who starts the conversation. Agent speaks first is the default, which means the AI delivers the welcome message immediately. The system prompt is the most important field. It's the full instruction set defining the agent's personality, knowledge, routing logic, and response style. This is where you describe who the agent represents, what information it should collect, how to handle different scenarios, and when to transfer to a human. For the Lunette, Vivian has detailed restaurant information, menu items, reservation rules, and conversational guidelines right in the prompt. The LLM Settings card controls which language model powers the agent. Models are grouped by provider, GPT, Claude, GC, Claude, and Gemini, with per-minute pricing shown next to each option. GPT 4.1 is selected here, offering a good balance of capability and cost. Temperature controls response randomness. Lower values produce more consistent answers, which is ideal for business agents. Below that, the Voice and Audio card configures the AI's spoken voice. The Voice ID determines the voice personality, gender, accent, tone, and style. Language is set to English US, voice speed and temperature control delivery. Speed affects how fast the AI speaks, while voice temperature adds variation in pitch and emphasis for a more natural sound. Dynamic voice speed lets the AI adapt its pace based on content. Ambient sound can add background audio. Options like coffee shop or call center make the AI sound like it's in a real environment. All voice providers add 0.15 of a cent per minute to the per-call cost. The conversation behavior card controls how the AI interacts during a live call. Interruption sensitivity determines how easily the caller can cut in. At 1.0, even brief utterances stop the AI mid-sentence. Enable backchannel makes the AI produce natural listening responses like "uh-huh" and "I see" while the caller speaks. DTMF, input detection, lets callers enter account numbers or PIN codes by pressing keys. Dynamic responsiveness automatically adapts response timing based on context. Quick for simple questions, more thoughtful for complex ones. Reminder after silence sends a follow-up prompt when the caller goes quiet, preventing dead air. Further down, the speech recognition card configures how the AI converts speech to text. Fast mode prioritizes speed, while accurate mode improves transcription quality. Denoising filters background noise, and boosted keywords improve recognition accuracy for specific terms like company names or product names. These cards give you fine-grained control over the conversational experience. Now let's look at knowledge bases. Navigate to PBX Management and click the Knowledge Bases tab, also under Resources. Knowledge bases give AI agents access to external content, websites, documents, and custom text without embedding everything directly in the system prompt. When a caller asks a question the AI can't answer from its prompt alone, it searches linked knowledge bases for relevant information. This is a retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG capability. The list shows all knowledge bases for this tenant, with the name, indexing status. Complete means ready for use. Processing means content is being indexed. The number of sources, which agents are linked, whether auto-refresh is enabled, and when it was last refreshed. Each KB adds 0.005 per minute to call costs when linked to an agent, plus a flat $8 per month fee. Let's create a new knowledge base to see the setup process. Click New Knowledge Base to open the Create form. The Knowledge Base Settings card has the required configuration. Tenant is locked to the current selection. The name field is the display name. Behind the scenes, the system adds a tenant prefix in brackets, so each tenant's KBs are isolated in the shared AI platform workspace. Max chunk size and min chunk size control how content is broken into searchable pieces. The defaults of 10 and 400 characters work well for most content types. Important, chunk sizes cannot be changed after creation, so consider your content type before creating. Auto-refresh recrawls URL sources every 12 hours to pick up changes. Enable this for websites with dynamic content like pricing or job listings. Below that, the Initial Sources card lets you optionally add sources at creation. You can add a text source with a title and content, ideal for internal policies, hours, or FAQs, or URL sources where the AI platform crawls and indexes web pages. You can skip sources now and add them from the detail view later. Knowledge bases are linked to AI agents through the Knowledge Base card on the Agent Edit form. Let's go back to AI agents and edit the LUNet. Scrolling to the Knowledge Base card, you'll see checkboxes for each knowledge base belonging to this tenant. Select the KBs you want the agent to search during conversations, then save. Results. Per query controls how many chunks are retrieved per search. Higher values provide more context but increase latency. Relevance. Threshold sets the minimum match score. Higher values are more selective, returning only highly relevant results. When saved, the selected KB IDs sync to the AI platform, and the agent begins searching them immediately on its next call. To unlink a KB, deselect the checkbox and save. See, the permanent surcharge for that KB no longer applies. This is also why you cannot delete a KB that is currently linked to an agent. You must unlink it first. That covers AI agents and knowledge bases in the admin console. Here's a quick recap. AI agents define how the PBX routes calls to a conversational AI platform. Each agent has a voice personality, language model, system prompt, conversation behavior settings, and fallback routing. Knowledge bases give agents access to external content through retrieval-augmented generation, websites, documents, and custom text that the AI can search during calls without embedding it all in the prompt. KBs are created with text or URL sources indexed by the AI platform and linked to agents through the knowledge base card on the edit form. Calls reach AI agents through DID routing, assign a DID destination to an AI agent, and enable the AI voice inbound billing plan. The agent list shows linked DIDs and their billing status at a glance. And remember, each KB adds monthly and per-minute costs, so remove unused ones to control spending. Check the documentation link below for the complete reference.